Hi, this is The King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, we are going to continue our journey into the world of teen investing. In our previous video, we discussed the important and crucial information that teenagers need to know about stock market investing. Now, wealth builders, we're diving into investment options tailored for teenagers and providing a step-by-step guide to get the ball rolling. So, without further ado, come join your king and let's get started. Now, assuming that you've learned what the stock market is, a custodial account, the risks of investing, and the other things that your king talked about in our previous video, I can confidently say that you're now ready to learn and dive into the exciting world of investment options for teens like yourself. With that being said, wealth builders, I have prepared 3 options that your king thinks are safe for you to choose from: stocks, funds, and bonds. Firstly, let us talk about stocks. Wealth builders, when you decide to invest in stocks, you are essentially buying ownership in a company. It's comparable to owning a small share of a space exploration company that's pushing the boundaries of human discovery or sustainable agriculture enterprise that's revolutionizing the way we grow food. Imagine the thrill of having a stake in something you're passionate about. But what really makes stocks particularly appealing for teenagers is their potential for long-term wealth growth. Wealth builders, investing in stocks can be an exciting and rewarding way for teenagers to grow their wealth over time. And as your king, I truly believe that by carefully selecting stocks of companies you believe in, you have the potential to benefit from their success and share in their profits. In other words, as a teen investor, you have the shining advantage of starting early, allowing your investments to compound and potentially grow exponentially. Next on the list, we have bonds. Alright, let your king explain it further. Bonds are nothing like that action films, okay? That is not the bond that I am talking about. But jokes aside, I want you to think of bonds as a form of lending. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially lending money to a government or a company. In return, they promise to pay you back the principal amount along with interest over time. As a teenager, investing in bonds can be an excellent way for you to earn regular income and diversify your portfolio. Additionally, one of the most significant advantages of bonds is that they offer stability during market volatility. In contrast, the value of stocks can fluctuate significantly, and that's where bonds can help you keep your portfolio steady, wealth builders, especially during economic downturns, offering a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that your investments are relatively safe. Now, last but not least, let's not forget about funds. Okay, let your king give fun examples about funds. Funds are like carefully selected playlists of investments for teens. They are a diverse collection of investments gathered from many investors and will be managed by professionals to create a harmonious financial tune. What makes them especially attractive for young investors is their built-in diversification. When you invest in a fund, your money is spread across a variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. This diversification helps spread risk, meaning that if one investment underperforms, it's offset by others that perform well. It's like having a mix of different flavors in an ice cream cone. If one doesn't quite hit the mark, there's still a whole scoop of delicious options to enjoy. For teenagers just starting on their investment journey, as your king, I can say that funds are a fantastic way to get exposure to different markets and industries without needing a substantial amount of money. They provide a hands-off approach as professional managers make the investment decisions, which can be especially beneficial for young investors with limited experience. Now that you are aware of those suitable options for you, let me, your king, ask you a question. Are you willing to start investing now? If not, go on. You can continue playing your game on your computer and do your thing like a normal teenager. But if yes, well, I cannot wait to share with you this step-by-step guide that I have prepared to equip you for your first investment. First up, let's start with the first step. When it comes to teen investing, the first crucial step is gaining knowledge about investments. Learning will always be your foundation, wealth builders. As your king, I want you to begin by understanding the different types of investments available, such as stocks, bonds, and funds. You can also dive into financial literacy resources, books, and online courses to acquire a solid understanding of how these assets work. Furthermore, I know that almost all of you have phones. With that, you can stay updated on market trends and economic news. Don't just follow your favorite boy band or model, wealth builders. Also, follow reputable financial news outlets and consider practicing with virtual stock trading platforms to get a feel for the market. As you accumulate knowledge, you'll become more confident in making informed investment decisions. That's 100% sure, wealth builders. Now, in the second step of your teen investing journey, it is essential to define your investment objectives. And I am certain that you don't want to miss this one. Ask yourself what you are aiming to achieve. Are you saving for specific goals like college tuition or an exciting vacation? Or are you focused on growing your wealth over time? Clearly outlining your objectives will guide your investment strategy and help you make choices aligned with your financial aspirations, ensuring that your investments serve your unique goals and ambitions. Your clear vision will set the course for a more rewarding and financially secure future. I can assure you of that. For the third step of your teen investing journey, the focus shifts to selecting investments that genuinely captivate your interest. If you're passionate about technology, for instance, you are more likely to invest in tech companies. The same goes for other interests. Wealth builders, the key here is to make your investments meaningful and enjoyable. When you invest in areas that genuinely engage you, it not only keeps you motivated, but also allows you to leverage your knowledge and enthusiasm for better investment decisions. So, let your passions guide your choices, making your investment journey not just financially rewarding, but personally fulfilling as well. Now, in the fourth step of your teen investing journey, the practical aspect comes into play, setting up a brokerage or custodial account. Like your king said in our previous videos, these accounts serve as your gateway to the world of investing, allowing you to buy and manage your chosen assets. If you're not yet of legal age to open a brokerage account independently, there's a solution. You can ask or collaborate with a parent, guardian, or a trusted adult to establish a custodial or joint account. This strategic move will surely empower you to initiate your investment journey, ensuring you have the necessary access and support to get started on the path to financial growth and independence. With this account in place, you're ready to take control of your financial future and embark on a journey towards wealth building. And lastly, the fifth and final step of your teen investing journey. It's time to take the leap and make the purchase of your chosen investment. Wealth builders, you can go with one of the three safe options I mentioned earlier: a stock, a fund, or a bond. This is where your investment plan transforms into a tangible reality. Utilize the knowledge you've gained, align with your investment objectives, and utilize your chosen brokerage or custodial account to execute your investment strategy successfully. As your king, I just want to highlight that this very moment marks the culmination of your efforts, putting you on the path to potentially achieve your financial goals and paving the way for a brighter, more secure financial future. So, seize this opportunity and embark on your exciting journey towards wealth accumulation and financial empowerment. Your king can't wait to see you on the investing ground, wealth builders. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.